Welcome to Enagic, which stands from Energy and Magic. It's a Japanese company that since 50 years is helping people to change their life by changing their water, and from now also by changing the environment and even the air. Come with me. It all started in Okinawa 50 years ago, extended to Asia, and nowadays it's all over the world. What makes this machine so special is that it has titanium plates coated with platinum stuck together exactly like the layers of the earth are stuck together, and a small little voltage goes through to represent the electromagnetic field. So the water is a creation of the closest what you can find in the nature. So what is happening nowadays? We are constantly attacked by free radicals. So it attacks our cells and our cells get damaged or even cancerous. A water that is antioxidant, that has molecular hydrogen, is able to neutralize. So picture that brown, rusty. The betadine is representing the oxidation, sickness in the body, form of pain. In the moment that we drink normal water, you see the oxidation is still there, and it's even more of it. If we add the water that is ionized, observe what's happening. The molecular hydrogen goes to the electrons, and that oxidation is being eliminated from the body. So we are one well, if we have people with cancer, with diabetes, with all sorts of diseases, drinking ionized water will be able to remove all that oxidation. Another global problem is the bloating and the water retention. And that is because when the water is bottled, it's becoming very big. That means the body cannot absorb. So it has a huge cluster, and when we drink it, it cannot penetrate inside the cell because the doors are very tiny. So maybe only 5% will penetrate. That means all the garbage will stay in the cell, and the cell will be dehydrated, and that's why the cells are dying so fast. Through ionization, the water becomes very, very tiny, exactly the size of the doors of the cells. So that means the water can go inside, can bring the nutrients, and can eliminate all the waste. Imagine this tea bag as your stomach and your cells in the body. In the moment we drink the regular water, it doesn't absorb because, as I mentioned, the water is too big. So it creates the bloating and the water retention. What happens when we start to drink ionized water? See that the tea molecules are coming out exactly like the toxins will come out of the cells, and the cell will be hydrated. The more we drink, the more hydration, the more nutrients we can bring in our cells. So even if you drank all our life regular water, which was not hydrating us, in the moment we start to drink ionized water, the body starts to get detoxed. We start to feel healthier and hydrated. Why everybody in the world now is so interested in the ionized water? Because everything is toxic, so our colon retains all that chemicals on the surface, and the arteries are getting blocked by plaques of cholesterol. So what's happening? We will simulate the chemicals and the cholesterol by sesame oil. So if we were to drink regular kind of water, those chemicals will still get stuck in our liver, in our colon, on our blood vessels. If we are about to start drinking the ionized water, watch how the oil is getting emulsified, so our body is getting clean. So even if you drank all our life normal water, once you start to drink ionized, our body gets clean of those toxins. So watch how that oil-based chemicals, they get emulsified from our body. All the different pHs that you've seen on the machine, every one of them has a different purpose. If you are vegan, 8.5 might be enough for you. If you are eating a lot of meat, your body is acidic, 9.5 will be the right choice. If you have babies, we'll give them pH 7. If you care about your beauty, you can take beauty water. If you want to clean your house, you'll use 2.5. We have all the different uses that we can have for our machine. So if you have 11.5, like the experiment with the oil, you can even create laundry detergent out of it. You can remove stains. 2.5, the most important one, it will replace all your sanitizer, or your Clorox, or your Dettol, so you can have a go green house. You can even do a mouthwash with it, so you can get rid of all those chemicals. The machine has beauty water, which is microstructure water with the pH of the skin. So we just fill it up in a small spray bottle for beauty. It's able to hydrate the skin. Spraying the beauty water, it helps us to regain that glow. This is the newest invention of Enagic, the device that neutralizes the electromagnetic noise, the one that it's affecting our sleep, our concentration, our memory, and a lot of studies shows that even ADHD sometimes is caused by the electromagnetic noise, especially in kids. How we can prove how it works is with a device that measures the electromagnetic field radiation. So you can see a huge amount of radiation being produced from our phone. Plugging the M-Guard, instantly that radiation is stopped. It's very simple. Just take it everywhere with you, power it to a power bank, and you are protected. Even in the car, even in the home. It's covering for 8 meters, and your home and your life will be protected from the electromagnetic noise. There is an application that it can scan the noise around us. So we set the frequency of the brain, which is 72, and it's checking the spectrum. So up you can see how fast it moves that noise, how it's affecting our brain. And here you see the actual impact on our brain tissue. So you see very rapid movements, which is disrupting our concentration, our sleep. So we will be plugging in the MGAR now. In the moment we plug in, all that noise is being suppressed, and you see only one harmonic line in the middle, which is harmonizing. So it's like a chanting Om for our brain. And you see now the whole influence on our brain tissue is being reduced, and you see only the harmonic that keeps us healthy. Enagic wants us to be holistically healthy, and that's why the air that we breathe is very important. For this, Enagic invented the Kangen air, which uses UV light and the photocatalyst. It looks like a purple violet light from the pranic heating that is able to neutralize all the pollutants, all the allergens in the room, and refresh the air and give us a healthy airspace in our house.